What makes me the most proud, honestly, is the fact that I'm out here doing this. I work in new construction. I've been a Noble employee for 10 years now. Right now I'm working on this flow line project, standing in as a construction foreman. Because due to the pandemic, we were limited on resources. I jumped in with 2 feet and volunteered to be the foreman and supervise this project and these crews. And we've had 0 incidents while we were out here, really good safety record.
A big part of what I spend my time on has been working on COGCC regulations. The regulations really help us produce oil and gas in a safe and responsible manner.
Noble does produce one of the cleanest barrels of oil. Noble goes above and beyond on a lot of our designs. They've taken a lot of steps to try to minimize the impact as much as possible.
It's really cool to be a part of an organization that cares so much about the community and giving back.
Noble really cares about their neighbors.
We're a Noble neighbor because we take care of the land that we're producing on.
As safe as possible, as environmentally conscious as possible.
We support other community involvement is really what defines a Noble Energy.